Okay.
Nice.
Cool.
Oh, we're making vegan sausage rolls.
Vegan sausage rolls.
Cool. Preheat the oven to 210 degrees Celsius.
So, what's the first step?
Okay, so when I do that.
Do you want it soaking?
Yeah.
Just like one ingredient we're putting in.
Oh, blend all the ingredients till smooth. It says almonds, but we're using cashews and walnuts.
So 1.5 cups. Should we look at the camera and stuff?
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So 1.5 cups of nuts. We're using 1/2 cup of cashews and 1 cup of walnuts. So dump right in. And then we have 2 cups of oats. Put them right in your food processor. 1/8 cup of flaxmeal. 2 tablespoons of parsley, or just like a small handful of parsley. Do you want to get the soy sauce and stuff? 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Yeah, so that's just 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Yep. And then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
This much water.
That's 80 mils of water.
80 mils of water.
Yeah. And then for the salt, we're putting, I don't know, like how much? Yeah, amount. For the garlic, like you can use 1 clove of garlic. We just use this one, about that much. Yep. No, olive oil. It's 5 tablespoons. Teaspoons. Also like a tablespoon of olive oil. Yep.
Regular yeast.
1. Okay, so not yeast. So it's nutritional yeast. About 1 teaspoon. Yeah, or you can guess a little.
Yeah, just like, ain't much.
Yep.
2 teaspoons.
Okay, that looks like about it. So then you just process that.
Pastry sheets, we're just going to separate those and leave them on the table while we prepare the rest of the recipe so they can defrost. Just like that.
Wait, are you going to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Next we blend these together. Next we're adding a 1/4 cup of almond milk, just to blend a bit.
Oh yeah, it's a bit dry.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So we've got our what is it?
Blended sausage roll filling.
Yeah, we've got our sausage roll filling all processed up. Now we're just gonna get our pastry sheets, that from the freezer, and put it on the lined baking tray.
Then we'll roll some of this up, put it in there.
Cool. Well, it's a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh wait, maybe half the thing.
Yeah, sure.
So we're just gonna use half the sheet per sausage roll.
Just fold it right up.
That's
that way too much.
Like half of that. Maybe like that amount.
Cool.
Well. Just like that. So just make a log with your filling. It's pretty sticky, so it should be easy. And then just roll over your pastry sheets like this, so that it's all encased with the pastry. And then have the seam at the bottom if you want, and you can push it down a little bit. Just line them up there. So we ran out of filling for this one, but we're just gonna leave it anyway. And And then just sprinkle some sesame seeds on the top.
Sweet.
That doesn't have any filling in it.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, baby.
This guy here.
So the almond milk also makes the sesame seeds stick. That's good. Dump on some poppy seeds if you want. Is that good?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And cook these for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Put them in or not?
Yeah, put them in.
For 20 minutes. This has been in a bit longer than 20 minutes, so just wait until they're nice and golden brown.
Yeah,
So we'll
because
take them out now.
yeah, we forgot to preheat the oven before we put it in, so it took a bit longer.
You'll get that right. Yeah.
Just let that cool for a bit.
Then we can eat them, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
So here's the finished product. It's got nice, like the meaty part's nice and dense, like a meaty sausage roll, like normal sausage roll. Turned out pretty brown. Didn't expect that. Tastes pretty good.
Cool.